Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive excellence, exploring the best struts and shocks in the market. If you're seeking top-notch suspension solutions, you're in the right place. Let's rev up and ride into unparalleled comfort and performance. Number 1. Detroit Axle has revolutionized the way we experience rides in our cars and trucks. Their struts and shocks are the epitome of superior engineering, providing an unparalleled smoothness on every drive. The precision and durability of these components are beyond compare, ensuring a safe and comfortable journey for both you and your vehicle. Whether you're cruising the city streets or tackling rough terrains, Detroit Axle struts and shocks deliver unmatched stability and handling. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to an extraordinary driving experience. Upgrade your ride with Detroit Axle and let the road become your playground. Number 2. Monroe Struts and Shocks, the undisputed champions of smooth rides. Dive into the epitome of automotive luxury with Monroe's premium struts and shocks designed exclusively for cars and trucks. Buckle up for a driving experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. These high-performance marvels redefine comfort, ensuring your every journey is as smooth as silk. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to unparalleled stability and control. Crafted with precision and engineered for perfection, Monroe Struts and Shocks elevate your driving game to new heights. Don't just drive, glide effortlessly. Upgrade your vehicle, upgrade your life. Monroe Struts and Shocks, where performance meets perfection. Number 3. AutoShock Struts and Shocks, the ultimate game changer for your ride. Elevate your driving experience with unmatched comfort and precision. Crafted with cutting-edge technology, these struts and shocks redefine smooth rides. Whether you're cruising in a car or truck, expect superior handling and stability on every terrain. AutoShock's durability is unmatched, ensuring longevity and reliability. Experience the perfect balance of performance and style. Upgrade today and feel the difference. Don't just drive, command the road with AutoShock Struts and Shocks. Number 4. Complete Struts. This is not just another run-of-the-mill struts and shocks kit, it's a revolution for your car and truck. Say goodbye to those bumpy rides and hello to a smooth, controlled driving experience. The brand name is your ticket to unmatched quality and durability. These struts and shocks are designed to make your vehicle handle like a dream, providing superior comfort and safety. Your ride will feel as good as new, and the installation is a breeze. If you want to elevate your driving game, you've found a solution with Complete Struts. Your vehicle will thank you. Number 5. Winston's outstanding struts and shocks, your ultimate ride enhancement. Designed with precision for both cars and trucks, Winston's quality and performance are second to none. These struts and shocks are a game changer, providing unparalleled stability and comfort on the road. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to a smoother, more enjoyable driving experience. Winston has truly nailed it with this product, ensuring your vehicle is equipped for whatever the journey brings. Upgrade your ride today with Winston Struts and Shocks and experience driving like never before. In conclusion, when it comes to ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride, choosing the best struts and shocks for your vehicle is essential. We've explored a range of top options, each offering unique benefits. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative in helping you make an informed decision for your car's suspension needs.